Hello friends, welcome back to course. This lecture we discuss about login system. Now let's look this login system. Go to index.php. Index.php we have three template: header, content and footer. Header, head part and footer part of designing and content include content part of designing. Now we go to header. We have form method post id form 1 and page action page. We are creating new page, file, new, control s and go to exam and htdocs and social networking and check login. Start php and first if is set dollar underscore request went to both get and post, and we go to header and button name login and go to no. We have need get two variable. We go to save data and copy, control c and go to check and we have not need if and it cut and paste and first name header, email and send pass and go to check login, email and second name pass and email and second name pass. Now we have need mysql query $query query. Now we are go to localhost php myadmin and php my social network underscore score all user and go to sql and select or copy and open, go to control v, select a star from all user where not one. We have need you pass and you email, you underscore email equal to our email and underscore pass equal to dollar pass Now we start session underscore start session start query execute dollar result equal to dollar connect query name dollar query no dollar underscore row equal to mysqli underscore num underscore row and result if dollar row greater than 0 or just double equal to 1, then header no location our location home page, else 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 index.php. Now we go to check